Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add multiple videos to your Instagram story at once. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. Let's get to our topic. So, you start, of course, by opening the Instagram app. Then, at the top on the main page where your image is, you can click on it, or you can just drag to the right side of the screen to go to your story settings. This is where you swipe up, and in that corner, you tap. Next, you select video. And it will show you all the videos that you have on your phone. After that, you can safely select multiple videos. To do this, you will need to press select. Then you select the video. After that, you press the arrow. And now you press done. Now as you can see, the first video is playing. There are 2 more videos at the bottom. You can click on either one of them, and that video will start playing. You can edit absolutely any video, like adding or removing sound, adding some caption, also adding absolutely anything like emoji, also adding location, mentions, photos, polls, and so on, photos, sites, and so on. A lot of things you can edit in the story. Add some kind of music to your taste. You can edit separately absolutely every video you choose. And once you've edited them, you click Next, and then you click Publish. And then the videos will be published on your page. In a certain order, in the order that you selected them. Now the videos will load. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the first video, the second video, and the third video. If you want, for example, to have several videos in one Instagram story, then you'll need to use a special video editor app for that. Because Instagram, unfortunately, doesn't have the ability to do that. You'll need to go to a video editor app like CapCut. Make from multiple videos, one to edit. Save it. And after that, you just add the already edited videos to your history. These are the 2 ways you can add multiple videos to your Instagram story at once. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write your comments. See you soon.